launch.
Rocketry.
Go. He is ready to go, and looking at his face, he is very confident right now, and he's very sure of himself. Look at him. He's very excited. All right, Gary, good luck to you, man. We're on pad E4. We're flying the new Aerotech in 4000, and we're going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. A little funky on the start there, but it straightened itself out, got its act together, went into that sky on the N4000. It's a nice flight, Gary.
28 pounds on the pad. It's orange and white out there at the C pad. We got a two-stager going here. We've got a Aerotech M1850 and a CTI L265 for his motors, and we've got a Ravens and a GPS in there. And we have talked to Mike. He wanted to confirm before launch, and we're going to put his rocket up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can't get much straighter than that. But it went so straight. See anything happen? Does anybody? And the rocket is ludicrous. It's a 4-inch diameter rocket, 94 inches long, 44 pounds. It's black and green out there on C4. Let's see, we got a N3200 in there, and can't read that other one. We got two 76-inch parachutes, 2 arcs, 2 featherweight GPS, and let's see, flying motor case with 22 pounds of swamp gas. Okay. All right, let's put their rocket up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here's a corkscrew. Daniel Cornell from San Diego, California. He's got his rocket Pathfinder, 54 millimeter rocket with 27 inches in length. It's red out there on pad B4. He's got an Aerotech K1100 in there. It's a Blue Raven and featherweight GPS. And we're going to put up Daniel's rocket in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. California. He's got his rocket named El Diablo 54, and it's a 54 millimeter rocket, 4 feet in length, and he's got a EX 54 millimeter G grain K600, 6 grain, K600. Can't read his handwriting too good. K's got to work on that handwriting. And let's see, we've got some straddle logger in there, an egg finder GPS. We're going to put up Chase's rocket in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And this is a rocket called the Gay Agenda. It's a 4-inch diameter, 6-foot rocket, weighs 11 pounds. It's black and rainbow in color. She's got an Aerotech J460 in there, and we're testing some electronics in there for the first flight in this configuration, she says. And so let's put up pad B2 for Erica in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Looks like let's move on to pad B4. And we've got Eric Yarden from Las Cruces, New Mexico. He's got his rocket leatherneck, 6-inch diameter rocket, 10 feet long, weighs 40 pounds. It's fire, something, storm. I can't read those colors. And we've got all right, and we got an M1800 in there, Aerotech M1800, and it's drogeless with an 8-foot main. All right, so let's put up Eric's rocket. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, Kato! Parts everywhere. Heads up on the range. Heads up out there at the D-pad. Heads up on the D-pad. On pad C1 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Looks like we lost a fin. Coming down hot. Coming in hot over the range. Coming in hot over the range on the west end.
He is relaxed, feeling very confident. We are in pad C1. We've got clear skies and a clear range. Good luck, Horatio. We're going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Well, egg timer quantum in there, tell GPS tracking, main at 1,000 feet. So Dave's ready to go. Good luck to you, Dave. We're on pad C4. Got clear skies, clear range, and we've got continuity, and we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Yes. Yes.
6.5 seconds.
4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Keep an eye on that one. It's going to be well downrange, but man, that's a bummer.
Oh yeah.
Is seeking clarity. It's a two-stage rocket. It's going to go from a 4-inch booster to a 54-millimeter sustainer. It is 11 feet tall and weighs 40 pounds. The booster is going to go up on a research M, as in Mike, 3000. Should burn for 3.5 seconds. Put out 9,800 Newton seconds. It's going to stage to a Loki L1040 in the sustainer. It looks like he's got a 60-inch fruity chute in here, a 5-foot Rocket Man, and Easy Mega, Easy Mini, and feather in the sustainer, a Telemega and a feather, and he's using the Easy Mega for staging. So we're going to take a look out here. We are on pad F2, way out there. You can still see the rocket. It's by the orange cones. This is Jenny and John from Houston. And we're launching the M to the L 2-stage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. All right, that was a beautiful boost on the Research M. I still see it coasting. To the right side of the range, on pad B1. We've got a cool project here by Joe Hill from Cedar City, Utah. He's got a rocket called Carbon Dart. It's 3-inch in diameter, 120 inches tall, weighing in at 12 pounds. It is black, silver, and red. It's a 2-stage rocket. The booster is going up on an Aerotech K1103X, and it's going to stage to an Aerotech J350. Looks like he's got a separation charge at 1.7 seconds. Sustainer ignition at 2.1 seconds. So he's got this thing well planned out. It's coming back on a 36-inch chute on the booster, 60-inch chute on the sustainer. He's using that Apogee simple timer. He's using that for his staging. Good luck to you, Joe. He's ready to go. We are on pad B1. We've got clear skies. We've got continuity over here, and we're ready to go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Still showing continuity on that. We'll try one more time, Joe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. There we go. Kit. This is the Lock Force 10. It's a 7.5-inch kit, 128 inches tall, and weighs 45 pounds. So if you are looking for a big old lock kit, I think this might be the one for you. This is going up on a Gary Dickinson 98mm in, as in Nancy, 2500. It's using the classic Mad River red propellant. It's got a 54-inch drogue, 120-inch main, Telemega, and an Easy Mini. So Amy, are you ready to go? She said yes, she's ready to go. And we are ready to go. We're flying an N2500 off of pad E4, center of the range, big non-painted rocket out there. That's Amy's rocket. Clear range, clear sky, and we're going. We're launching Force 10 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Well, that kit has rekitted itself. That may be a little too much motor for that one there, Amy. But that was a good motor, Gary. Good motor. Mostly white, some purple. It's sprinkled in there somewhere. He's flying this on a very beefy Aerotech M2050X. It's got 5,493 total newtons in here. He's got a 24-inch drogue, he's got a 48-inch main, and looks like he has a tracker in here too, which is a good choice to have. So good luck to you, Thomas. You ready to go? He said, unfortunately, he is ready to go. That means that he is cool, calm, collected. On pad A1, good luck to you on the Aerotech M2050 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
That's a well-known thing. We have a mark, too.
15,300, 15,000, 15,600, 16,100, 16,500, 16,700, 16,785. Apogee of 16,785. Descend at minus 50.
Color. He is flying this on the classic Aerotech K550. It's got two 24-inch drogues, a 36-inch main, 2 perfect flights, and tele-GPS. So on pad A3 out there, there's an orange rocket. That is Neil Pike's rocket, Orange Thing. And we are launching Orange Thing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Pound rocket. It is blue and black in color, and he is flying it today on an Aerotech in, as in Nancy, 2000. It's got a telemetrum in here and a stratologger, and he's got GPS and all other stuff. We need to make sure we get it back. Chris, are you ready? He said he is ready, and we are ready. On pad C3, clear skies, continuity. We're launching the Blue Iguana. We're going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Smoke. That's a great motor for that rocket right there, guys. That's beautiful. See. We have a clear sky. We've got continuity on pad F2. We're launching Paul Snow's Sugar Rocket. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. There's some smoke. There it goes. Well, there it really goes.
Wow.
Clear sky, clear range. We're going to launch B2 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition. Nice long burn on that one. 4 on the right side of the LCO desk, Bravo 4. We have Adrian, are you ready? Okay, Adrian is ready. He put he's from Wisconsin. He is too cool to put what city he's from. He's just from the state of Wisconsin. Name of this rocket is the Flying COPVB. Wonder what happened to A. 2.8-inch diameter, 51 inches tall, 10.6 pounds, painted blue, flying on an EXL 1500. Should take off pretty quick. Does have a stratologger on it, so this will take off quick, so head snapper for some. Okay, leads for B4. Clear sky, clear range. It looks like he's tick-tocking this. We're going to fly it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition. Mad Cow Frenzy XL, 4-inch diameter, 88 inches tall, 14 pounds. Red and white paint job, flying on an Aerotech 75mm L900 dark matter, so a little bit of sparks on this one. Has a Bama 72-inch Aero, egg timer Proton, egg timer Quasar. Pad B6. I think Braden's out there doing some video footage. We are going to fly this one in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition. Those sparks are always pretty cool. Starting to arc over. Okay, looks like an event.
2, 1. Ignition. That's how the kid does it.
3, 2, 1, ignition. Well, that's a really good boost. I think some of us flyers might. Oh, that's pretty high. So we're going to fly this one, the Strato 1. We have a clear sky, we have a clear range. We are going to launch this one in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition. Folks out on the pads, on B pads and D pads and on the F pads, we're going to have some parts coming in, so folks, heads up on this one. Sorry, Brent, couldn't handle the O motor. Let's see the heaviest part, the motor case. Looks like it's kind of to the more in the northeast direction or northeast east. There's a van way out there on the east side. There's a motor case coming in. Good boost on the L1400. 2, 1, ignition. That has to be like a 99.9% M. Oh, there it goes. Okay, the up part was good. Typically that's the easier part, so we'll see how the recovery goes. Built by a team of middle school girls, built over 1 year, Wednesdays after school in 2015. That's a really cool story. Neil did a little foreshadowing and circled good flight, so let's see if this does what he thinks it should be doing. On pad D3, we will be going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition. Up part's looking good.
2.5 miles.
Okay, parachutes out. Back up to the primary. Gosh, another one of those really, really long shot cords. Spartacus, 5-inch diameter, 11 feet tall, weighs 80 pounds. Oh, F2. It's painted blue, black, and red. Flying on a research motor, as in oh my goodness, 30,000. 21,000 Newton seconds impulse, so that is an O motor. Yellow and black. This is flying on Frank 2, F2. It's a little bit right of center all the way in the back. Dan, are you ready? Dan, he is ready. Okay, clear sky, clear range. Heart of Spartacus will be going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition.
Do you start aging as soon as he tips it up? It started.
There it goes. Good boost on that. I did not see the Dragonfly rocket, almost like was in the wake of the...
Stick.
Looks like the Dragonfly stuck the landing again. 2 for 2 on that. Okay, on pad B6, we're launching boosted Zebra. Range on pad C1, we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition. Nice boost, nice separation. And white rocket with the letters Reuben on it.
Go out about 2.5 miles.
Clear skies, clear range, launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition.
Back to your map. And that'll take
Good boost on that one.
correct. This should get you dangler on top of it. Follow that. I just didn't want to change to parable before
There's an event. The one that's like the size of a finger. This is a 10-inch diameter cork that's 8 feet tall, and probably 7 feet of it is fin, so it's a lot of fin on this rocket. Painted camo green. This does have multiple motors on it. This, actually, the main motor is an EX motor, and is in November 4700, and does have 4 air starts, Aerotech I-280s. Clear range. E1, the giant quark, will be going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition. I see a light. Oh, wow, look at that. I think he got the air starts to go. So a chance to see something go real quick.
Are these the ostrich? Want your egg?
They were over here, right? Somewhere along this area. That car?
Okay, we have a clear sky. We have a clear range. They are ready. We are going to launch the Pound 6 Major in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition. Oh, the motor failed. Okay, we want to make sure that sustainer does not light at this point. Clear sky, we have a clear range. It is launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition. Going for the low and slow factor on this one. Looks like you still see some of the sparkies coming out of it. Yamamoto from, it looks like it says Payette, Idaho. The name of this rocket is LE5. 4-inch in diameter, 92 inches tall, 14 pounds. Pink and purple, flying on an Aerotech 75mm L2200. I think that's a green motor, but I'm not 100% sure if I can remember. It might be green. But it's an L2200. Has an 84-inch front range parachute, RRC3 primary, egg timer, quantum, SEC backup. Pad B2, we will launch this one in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition. Good boost on that one. Launch.
That's a scooter, baby.
On C2, we will go, range and sky are clear. We will go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The name is Aerocon. It is a 6-inch diameter, 84-inch long rocket that weighs 42 pounds. Once again, this is pad C4. We are going up on an M1750. 3 60-inch parachutes, an ARTS Stratologger, and an Aerocon Blue Drogue. Alright. Is that a cert flight? So we're having Tony for the witness. Alright, range and sky are clear. We will go in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ouch, that won't buff out. The name of this rocket is Go Devil 54. It is a 54mm rocket, 6 foot long, weighs 6 pounds. It has red and black fins, and it is going up on an Aerotech 54mm K11003. It has a 12-inch drogue with a 50-inch main, a Blue Raven and featherweight tracker. Should go about 14,000 feet. Alright, range and sky are clear. Pad B2, we will go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Launch. Very nice on the up part.